medyo hindi naman nag-relax sa third set, nakuha ng kalaban yung person. And naging lesson sa amin yung last game na. So, sobrang thankful sa mga player din na nag-response din sa third set.
Thank you, Coach. So far, so many questions.
Coach, yung charity ko po parang 2 years, sila yung pumipigil sa mga mahabang win streak na lagi. And 3 sets and 4 sets. So ngayon po siguro ano yung naging susi para malagpasan nyo na din yung charity ko na kumbaga may extra sila lagi kapag kayo yung palaban.
Research ka. So, mag-research din ako eh. Tama ka dyan. So, talagang nag-prepare kami for charity ko. Yun nga, may mga history na ganyan. So, talagang nag-prepare kami mabuti. Kasi syempre, hindi rin naman rookie yung yung charity ko. Veteran team din sila. Talagang dapat talaga maganda, mabuti.
We also have our best player of the game here, Bea Delayon. Bea, in this game against Cherry, you had 13 points. So, personally, ano lang ba yung naging motivation mo heading into this match to help you get this win?
Personally, I think gusto ko lang talaga mag-aim for consistency. So I wanted to come into this game with a really good mindset and really focused. So yun naman, syempre with the help of my teammates, all of us yun naman talaga wanted the same thing. Lalo na nung up 2 sets kami, we wanted to that extra push na ma-finish siya sa tatlo. So yun, yun lang naman and talagang with the help of my teammates, anything naman is possible.
Okay, same question with Coach. Cherry Pico stopped a lot of 3-time win streaks in the past, so but they have that extra fire against you guys. So today, you got it done in straight sets. I guess what was something different, or what's that extra push on your end to get the job done as quick as you did today?
Well, kanina actually ni-reminded kami ni Coach Sherwin na from the past game up 2 sets kami. Tapos yun nga, nagkaroon pa kami ng lapses in the middle. So we were just reminded din na pagka ganun na yung advantage, syempre kailangan na namin ma-maximize. So,